What are the steps the Boro Sahitya Sabha will take to reform the education system in upcoming time?
Yeah, the Bodo Sahitya Sabha since inception from 1952. It was established in 1952, 16 November. And then the statesmen, and the workers and the leaders, they were demanding the Boro language to be introduced as a medium of instruction. So after a long gap, after a long hesitation, in 1963, from 18 May, the Boro language has been introduced and it has been recognized in the substantial area, that time only Kokrajhar and Odalguri. So now this language attained up to the matriculation, up to the class 10, and after that this language attained up to higher secondary level and then college level and now university. Now we have 4 universities. In between, this Boro department introduced in 4 universities, like Dibrugarh University, there is a Bodo department. Guwahati University, there is a Bodo department. Cotton University, there is a Bodo department. Bodoland University. Now we are trying to introduce, and our demand is that in North Bengal, some areas, the Bodo people, they are telling us they are thinking to introduce in the North Bengal University also, and Jawaharlal Nehru University in New Delhi. So our demand is that. So the introduction of opening of major course under Assam University Silchar, we have demanded, we have placed our demand, and we have already met the Vice Chancellor of this Central University of Tezpur. Basically, the Tezpur University is meant for the research purposes. So they don't have any scope to affiliate the colleges. That's why we are thinking the more upgradation and accommodation of the Boro language in Tezpur Central University. That is our just demand. And this language, Boro language, is as a official language of Assam.
Sir, what will happen to the students who has taken Bodo outside BTC? As BTC government has already ordered that Assamese will be official language excluding BTC. What will happen to the students who have already taken Bodo language outside BTC?
No. There is a clause. There is a clause in BTC Accord. So 9.1, 9.2, there is a clause. And as per clause, the Boro language to be developed and promote in the BTAD area. But there is a scope to develop. We have some large number of Boro medium school outside the BTC. So outside BTC, we have number of high school, number of LP school and ME school. So our thinking is that the student, those who are studying outside BTAD, so they should get equal status of the teaching, Boro language teaching. So, as you know, since Boro language is now recognized as an official language, this is an associate official language and parallel official language of Assam. So, only recognized schedule languages, Assamese in Assam and Boro. So we are demanding, we placed our demand to introduce, to implement the associate official language immediately in BTAD area and outside BTC also.
Okay, sir. Do you support the coming back of the NDB-S group for the peace accord?
Yes, definitely. As a peace lover, so Boro Sahitya Sabha is as a parent organization and member of the civil society. We have a moral responsibility. We always welcome such type of this what is called such type of development. So recently, what happened? We just welcome the decision taken by the central government and the state government. So the NDB, those who are in underground in the outfit, as a outfit, we just request them to come out and just participate in the peace process. Peace process. We believe peace process. The peace process, without peace process, without any signing the peace. Now we also talk to interlocutor, the Ministry of Home Affairs, Mr. A.B. Mathur. So we told him regarding the issues that we have another faction, NDB Progressive, and NDC Progressive, and there is a Ranjan Demari group, and now this Sauraigara group. So now Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs is thinking to solve the problem amicably, and they always request them to be united, and you come unitedly, and I am trying to solve the problem with the appropriate authority. This is the version of A.B. Mathur, interlocutor of Government of India Home Ministry.
Okay, last question, sir. What will be the reforms that Bodo Saitya will take in this to change, to implement betterment of Bodo language?
Yeah, now you know this is the globalized era. Now globalization and digitalization, electronic media. So now, as you know, this new generation, nowadays this reading culture is reducing. Reading culture among the new generation is reducing day by day. But it is a dangerous trend. That's why Bodo Saitya is planning to give some scope so that the new generation take some opportunity. That's why we implemented this e-book project, electronic book project.
Which is called e-Thunlai.
Recently, we have signed a memorandum of understanding between SCOSIS and Bodo Saitya. Now, this final will be launching tomorrow here by Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Mr. Sarbananda Sonowal, and he has agreed to come tomorrow. That's why this e-Thunlai, by the e-Thunlai, we expect the development, what is called electronically and digital form. So the non-Bodo speaking people also, they can read and they can write, because there is a scope. There is a scope. And we are planning to publish, we have published already, Professor Pranhori Talukdar, he has written TTS. TTS means talk to speech. So this is a very technical term, and we also agreed and already printed, and today we will inaugurate this book. And this is also a kind of what is called this development and digitalized language development. This is, and just to take this in the form of common linguistic development and promoting our language, we are thinking like this.